Which side of the deer is the most meat? The inside. You're welcome.
What's you guys doing? What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Hello. Hi. What you guys doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huey. You guys. You gonna say something? You gonna say something, Huey? Hi, boy. Hi, big boys. Hello. So we picked up some paint today, and we're gonna start painting the skirting. All down there. Ow! He'll give me with a stick. Oh, don't, you're giving me a slipper. Pain in the rear end. Kind of going all around the house depending on where the sun is at that time of day. Right now it's super cloudy, thundering, probably gonna rain on me, but I'll get a little bit done before the sun comes back out, and I'll just try and get a couple more pieces here, and then if the sun does come out, I'll head to the back of the house so that way I can work on it without just dying of heat. So let's see what I can get done right now before the rain. Sounds like it's coming. just a really overcast day. Works out good for me here though. So there's the base for the gun rack. It's just 4 bolts to put it in there.
That went in easy, eh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is from Kemimoto, this here, and I've been wanting one of these gun racks. You're the rooster? For a long time I wanted one of these. And I wanted one that went on the floor. So what's cool about this, it only went in with those 4 bolts underneath this plate. Wow, he's giving her. So underneath here there's 4 self-tapping screws, which you've seen. And they was super easy to put it. I put as far this way as possible for this here to make sure it was ahead of my buttons and stuff. And on those buttons, this was actually kind of close to my button, so I put, with these screws that come with it to adjust this, I put that there to make sure that it held it out. And now it holds it up nice and I can get to the buttons no problem. But it was super easy to put in. And what's cool though about these here, there's 6 of these wing nuts, and you can just unscrew those and take the whole thing out if you don't want it. If you don't want it in there and you want to do something else. What's cool about this one, I'm going to go get a gun and throw it in here in a minute. But this is how we used them in the military too. So it was nice. You could have it right in the vehicle, set it in right in front. That rooster is giving her. In my opinion, this one here is way better than the ones in the back that people mount on the back. Now, if that's what you want, fine. But for me, I'd rather have this one than the ones you mount in the back or behind you or anything, because you can get at it right away. And these are the ones, just the exact same style we used in the Army. Like, as far as standing up and just being right there. Anyways, I'm going to throw a gun in it, see how it feels. There's the mouthpiece. You think it's morning, bud?
Mm-hmm.
We'll try this 30-30 in there. What I noticed is that I got to put it this way, at least with this gun. And it would probably be the same with the other ones because there'd be a scope here on some of my other stuff. But I got to set it this way because if not, it hits here. But that's fine. And then it just straps in there. So another thing, this shifts, but it's a little close here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of strap that. I'll probably strap it over somewhere or something, right? Just to hold it back or figure something out. But it fits in there good otherwise. Like once I get that over, I mean, I could deal with that if I wanted to. But I'll probably strap it over tight over to one way. But it goes in there easy. Comes out easy. Might not have to put it as tight as I am, but tighter the better, you'd think. There's a strap for down here too, but I don't know. I mean, it's kind of sitting there anyway, you know. But it is there, I could tighten it up. It comes with some spare straps too. And then it comes out easy. It's pretty cool. I like it. There's links down below to get this from Kemimoto. I've been looking for one for a while. Now I finally have one. Check it out. Aftermarket parts, Kemimoto. They got a bunch of other parts too. I'm happy with this one. It seems pretty rugged and everything too. So it's a little cheaper than other ones too. So save a few bucks and have the gun rack inside your bike. Now I'm going to go take a drive up and check trail cam. So let's go. In all honesty, I'm probably just going to roll with mine in the passenger side one because I usually don't have somebody with me with another gun anyway. So I probably won't even strap it over. But if you're going to run two, you could get away with not strapping it over, but I think it would be better, right? Just setting something up to hold it tight that way a little bit. Or something down below. My plate down there on the bottom is not quite wide enough for, like, it's wide enough for the plate, it fits there perfect, but to be able to go one way or the other at all, you know? Or you could always put another plate on there, have it go that way a little bit, like a piece of, you know, steel or something. Have it go that direction a bit, and then screw yours, offset it in the center a tiny bit, kind of thing. But I'm happy with it how it is. I was just thinking of some other people, maybe the way you're going to hook it up. But mine will guarantee to be good just as is. All right, I'm going to go for a putt out there to check the trail cam, but I just want you to see, I just want to test this out and see how it holds up driving. I get it latched top and bottom. There's some rough spots in the road too, so it'll give a good indication how it holds up. Looking good, I like it. Alright, now I'm just going to check trail cam. Here's a spot where I've been getting all the deer. They're coming in and eating up this stuff. I put apples and stuff out, but then I get other animals coming in here too. Bears, coyotes, they'll come in. But if with just this stuff, salt lick too. Just this stuff, just the deer come in. Moose, birds. Man, I love that thing. I just ripped it on the way back through the trail. It held up awesome. So Moto, check all the links below. Now we're gonna go check trail cam. Well, nothing on the trail cam, but it's been super hot lately anyway, so I wasn't really expecting anything. But we did have something a couple days ago, or last week. So they are coming in there pretty consistent, those deer, which I'm super pumped about, because that's why we put the clove there and the clove and the timothy out there to get them to come in. So we get the bunnies, the rabbits, grouse, they're all in there, so that's awesome. And they'll be back because the heat wave ended today, so that's good. But I get some trash to take up the front, and I feel like just ripping around the bike this evening, so that's what I'm going to do.